sunset, clubhouse, barbecues, recreation room, all ready to enjoy. Look at the size of these cupboards here. Nothing is unturned here as far as details. Wide open water, yet even from the side, corner units. We're in the kitchen now. The first photo is in the dining room. So many areas to store things. Sunset view, looking across to the trade winds, a few minutes from prime restaurants and Starbucks for casual dining, for lattes and cappuccinos on the way for a beach walk. Let's diverge here into the second suite. Easy to shut off. Look at that shower head. Oh, and it's even got a soaking tub. So you've got all the benefits of a shower and a tub. Beautiful. Motifs and lighting. Totally redone. Just over 10 years ago. Nice walk-in closet there, all organized. Beautiful molding everywhere. And there's a sunset deck over there where you can go and sit in the western sun and the breeze. We'll go over to the sunset view. Now you can see the wide open water. Oh, here's another corner window. Also looking at the water. Look at the details. Look at these cupboards, absolutely stunning. Same corner there. Wide open water. Looking down to the dock. There's two docks here and they are large. Residential homes to the east, to the north I mean, and the south. Plenty of space there to store books or games for the children. This 1,420 square feet home with a beautiful living area, open living, has, look at the size of this furniture. Really large furniture, and it fits so well. Of course, that could be included for the right price. Of course, it may only then convey. hurricane shutters on all of the windows. Double pane. Washer and dryer in the master closet. Two sinks. Lovely shower. Four shower heads, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wide open waters, tranquil waters mostly. Beautiful in the evenings for moonrise and reflecting the sunset. It's the second suite. Beautiful lighting above this cabinetry here for your favorite items. Unit 319. Sounds like fun. Trade winds is right there. Let's go in again. And there's storage room, storage locker down there. Elevator, 4 sets of stairs. Hang your towel there. REGENCYWEST.INFO. Signing out. St. Pete Beach.